Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Power Etrade for day trading. First, you will need an Etrade brokerage account. If you do not have one, the process is straightforward and can be completed online in just a few minutes. Once your account is open, ensure it is funded with at least $25,000 to meet the pattern day trader rule requirements. This initial step is crucial for accessing the full range of day trading features and tools available on the platform. Now, let's dive into navigating the Power Etrade platform. Take some time to explore the various sections and understand where everything is located. You can personalize your trading experience by customizing your workspace, arranging modules like charts, order entry, and watch lists to suit your workflow. Setting up watch lists is essential for keeping a close eye on the securities you are interested in trading throughout the day. Next, we will cover placing trades and managing your risk, which are vital for successful day trading. Power Etrade offers various order types, including market, limit, and stop orders, each serving a specific purpose. Always consider using stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant downturns. Additionally, practice proper position sizing to ensure no single trade jeopardizes more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital. Finally, let's look at some advanced tools and the importance of practice. Power Etrade provides sophisticated charting capabilities, allowing for detailed technical analysis with numerous indicators. You can also test your trading strategies using the backtesting feature to see how they would have performed historically. Most importantly, utilize the paper trading feature to practice your strategies in a simulated environment without risking any real money. This builds confidence and refines your skills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.